Hello, my name is Bonnie Beyer, and I am a professor and coordinator of the Educational Leadership Programs at the University of Michigan Dearborn. I would like to share with you today some information about our Educational Leadership Programs, which provide students with the skills, knowledge, and experience needed to guide solutions for the complex challenges facing our communities. As education systems across the nation and in Michigan are changing and new standards of performance are required for administrators, if you are ready to invest in your career, these programs are for you. The Master of Arts in Educational Leadership is obtainable in 33 credit hours and prepares students for roles in K-12 school leadership and the required Michigan Department of Education K-12 School Administrator Certificate. The Education Specialist degree, an advanced degree obtainable in 30 hours beyond the master's degree, assists veteran educators with enhancing their knowledge in theory and best practices and is ideal for educators who seek new skills and new opportunities for leadership. Program completers are eligible for the required Michigan Department of Education Central Office Administrator Certificate. The doctoral degree in education is obtainable in 60 hours beyond a master's degree and focuses on applied research, community engagement, transformational leadership, and scholarly practice. Program completers are eligible for the required Michigan Department of Education Central Office Administrator Certificate. These three distinct graduate programs offer the location, flexibility, and price you need to fit in your busy life. They provide access to top-level education professionals and faculty who are employed or recently retired from positions as superintendents, principals, program directors, attorneys, and higher education administrators. If you decide to enroll in the Educational Leadership Programs at the University of Michigan Dearborn, you will find a cohort of students working through the programs who are the superior leaders and change agents needed to advance the education system across Southeast Michigan. We are very proud of our alumni from the Educational Leadership Programs whose success stories you can view on our website. As you can see, the Educational Leadership Programs at the University of Michigan Dearborn are the right choice for investing in your future. Thank you for your interest in these programs. Graduate degrees making the difference in advancing the field of education.